you ever noticed your cat acting strangely during the summer months? Cats are known for their peculiar behaviors, but the warm summer season can bring about changes that are even more baffling. Your feline friend might be extra playful, lazing about more than usual, or even showing a decreased appetite. While these behaviors can be chalked up to the heat, it's important to remember that they could also indicate an underlying health issue. In the midst of these long sunny days, our focus today is going to be on a common illness that can affect our furry companions, the cat flu. Just like humans, cats can catch the flu, and the symptoms can sometimes be mistaken for normal summer behavior. So it's crucial to understand what's normal and what's not. So, if your cat is behaving oddly this summer, it might be more than just the heat. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into understanding cat flu. Cat flu, much like human flu, is a common disease among felines. It's a term that's used to describe a viral infection, primarily affecting the respiratory tract. Its symptoms can be similar to those of a human cold, but it's a much more serious health issue for cats. During the warm summer months, you might think your cat is safe from flu. After all, we often associate flu with cold weather. However, cat flu is not a seasonal disease. It can strike at any time of the year, including the summer. The causes of cat flu are mainly two types of viruses, feline herpes virus and feline calicivirus. These viruses are highly contagious and can spread rapidly among cats, especially those in close contact. It's also worth noting that once a cat is infected, it can become a carrier capable of infecting other cats. Now, you might be wondering why summer is a concern for cat flu. Well, the summer season often means more outdoor activities for cats, which increases their exposure to other cats and consequently the risk of catching the disease. The warm weather can also create an environment conducive to the survival and spread of viruses. This, coupled with the fact that cats may be more likely to share resources like water bowls in hot weather, can escalate the spread of the disease. Another factor to consider is that in summer, cats can become dehydrated, which may weaken their immune system and make them more susceptible to infections like cat flu. So it's clear that cat flu is not just a cold weather disease. It can affect your furry friend at any time of the year, and summer presents its own set of challenges in controlling and preventing the spread of this disease. It's crucial to understand this in order to ensure the health and well-being of your cat. After all, our feline companions rely on us to protect them from such threats. Now that we know what cat flu is, let's delve into the signs and symptoms to look out for. Cats are experts at hiding their discomfort, making it crucial to know the signs of cat flu. Now, we're going to delve into the common symptoms of this ailment so you can be better equipped to recognize if your feline friend might not be feeling their best. First off, sneezing. It's not unusual for a cat to sneeze occasionally, but frequent bouts of sneezing could be a sign of cat flu. Just like in humans, sneezing in cats can be a reaction to irritants, but it's also a typical symptom of respiratory infections, including cat flu. Next, let's talk about coughing. If your cat is coughing, this could be a cause for concern. Cats don't usually cough, so if you notice this behavior, it might be an indicator of cat flu or other respiratory issues. Fever is another symptom to be on the lookout for. Cats normally have a higher body temperature than humans, but if your cat's temperature rises above its average range, it could be a sign of infection. Now you might be thinking, how can I tell if my cat has a fever? Well, look for other signs such as lethargy, loss of appetite, or unusual behavior. Speaking of loss of appetite, this is a critical symptom to watch out for. Cats are usually enthusiastic eaters, so if your cat starts showing less interest in food or stops eating altogether, it could be a clear signal that something's not right. It's important to remember that these symptoms can be subtle. Cats are masters of disguise when it comes to their health, so during the summer months when cat flu is more prevalent, it's vital to observe your cat closely. Look for changes in their behavior, eating habits, and overall demeanor. Remember, you know your cat best. If something seems off, it probably is. Don't hesitate to contact your vet if you notice any of these symptoms, as prompt attention can make a significant difference in your cat's recovery. So these are the symptoms to watch out for. Next, we'll talk about what to do if your cat has these symptoms. If your cat shows signs of flu, don't panic. Timely treatment can help your furry friend recover quickly. When it comes to treating cat flu, 3 key elements are hydration, medication, and rest. But remember, each cat is unique, and so is their health condition. This is why it's crucial to have your pet examined by a vet. Dehydration is a common concern with cat flu. as your feline friend may lose their appetite and refuse to drink. Vets may recommend a special diet or even administer fluids subcutaneously to keep them hydrated. You can also encourage hydration at home by providing fresh, clean water at all times, and perhaps adding a bit of chicken broth to their water to make it more enticing. Medication is another pillar of treatment. Antibiotics won't cure the flu as it's caused by a virus, but they can help prevent secondary bacterial infections that often accompany the flu. Antiviral drugs may also be prescribed in some cases. Eye drops or ointment can help soothe inflamed eyes, and nose drops can help clear nasal congestion. It's important to administer all medicines as directed by your vet, and never give your cat human medication without consulting a vet. Rest is the third key element. Just like us, cats need plenty of rest to recover from an illness. Make sure your cat has a quiet, comfortable place to rest away from loud noises and other pets. Keep their bedding clean and warm and give them plenty of love and attention to help them feel better. Remember, cat flu can be serious, especially in kittens and older cats with weaker immune systems. Never ignore the symptoms and always consult a vet if your cat is unwell. Early diagnosis and treatment can make all the difference. It's also worth noting that while home care can support your cat's recovery, it should not replace professional veterinary care. Only a vet can accurately diagnose and prescribe the right treatment for your cat's condition. Treatment is essential, but prevention is even better. Let's talk about how to prevent cat flu. Preventing cat flu is possible, and it starts with understanding how the disease spreads. Cat flu, like many infectious diseases, is passed from one feline to another. The primary conduits are saliva, nasal secretions, and even the fur or feathers of infected cats. This means that a simple grooming session can potentially spread the disease. An effective way to prevent your feline friend from catching the flu is vaccination. Vaccines stimulate your cat's immune system to recognize and fight off the viruses causing cat flu. It's crucial to consult your vet about the most suitable vaccine and vaccination schedule for your cat. Remember, kittens usually require a series of shots, while adult cats may need regular boosters. Another preventive measure is to limit your cat's interactions with other cats, especially those showing signs of illness. It might seem harsh, but it's a necessary precaution during the peak flu season. If your cat is an outdoor explorer, consider keeping them indoors during this period. Now let's talk about diet. A well-balanced diet strengthens your cat's immune system, making them less susceptible to infections. Make sure your cat's meals include the right proportions of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Vitamins, minerals, and water are equally important. Remember, a healthy cat is a happy cat. Regular vet checkups are another key aspect of prevention. A routine visit to the vet can help detect early signs of cat flu or any other health issues. Your veterinarian can also provide advice tailored to your cat's specific needs and lifestyle. In essence, prevention is about being proactive. It's about ensuring your cat's environment is safe and their health is regularly monitored. It's about providing them with a balanced diet and timely vaccinations. And most importantly, it's about showing your cat love and care, because a stress-free cat is less likely to fall ill. With these preventive measures, you can keep your cat safe from the flu this summer. So, we've covered a lot of ground today, from recognizing symptoms to treating and preventing cat flu. From the start, we dove into the world of feline behavior in the summer months and how it might change due to cat flu. We then shed light on what cat flu actually is and how it can affect our feline friends. We've discussed the major symptoms of this disease, such as sneezing, coughing, watery eyes, and a loss of appetite. We've also explored the importance of prompt treatment, emphasizing the need for veterinary care and supportive therapies like hydration and nutrition. Most importantly, we've underscored the role of prevention. Whether it's through vaccination, maintaining a clean environment, or keeping an eye on your cat's interactions, prevention is key to ensuring your cat's well-being. Remember, vigilance and preventive measures go a long way in keeping your cat healthy. With the right knowledge and care, you can ensure your cat enjoys a healthy and happy summer.